you know, the RBI, the central bank in India, has been cautioning the investors, holders, not holders really, but investors and traders of Bitcoin for the longest time in sense of against it, the security, the caution, of course, has been on for quite some time. An interdisciplinary committee was also constituted in the month of March, which did come out with its report in the month of August, but that yet has to be made public. And it's not just India, various central banks in the world markets have been coming out with that. And today what the income tax department has done is that they have visited major exchanges in India, 15 of them, and there are many other exchanges also. There are various ICOs that have been listed in Indian markets as well, and that is where the surveys have been conducted. So it has been some 8 to 9 cities where we have seen that happen, including Bengaluru, Kochi, Pune, Delhi, Ghaziabad, Gurugram, etc., is where these surveys were conducted in these major exchanges there. What Income Tax Department also tells us is that 9 prominent exchanges is what they have already covered, and rest, of course, are being covered as of now. It is a one-day survey trip that the IT department has taken over for today. The surveys, of course, are done under the Section 133A of the IT Act, and there are various reasons for undertaking this survey. One, of course, is the IT department wants to know on what kind of people really are investing in Bitcoins. So it really is about establishing the identity of them, the transactions that have been taken under them, by them, how much, how long, what are the kind of investments that have been done, the money trail of it, the bank accounts, whether or not that really relates with their buying in case of Bitcoins here. And apart from that, remember, the Bitcoin prices have run up quite a bit. The valuation of that is up by nearly 1,800% if you bought Bitcoins in the month of Jan to where they stand at this point in time. So if there are any profits that many of these investors and buyers are sitting on, whether or not they have paid taxes accordingly. So it is about tax evasion as a question mark that also is IT department is trying to establish at this point in time. And apart from that, also it has to do with the fact that since it is not regulated, is not under the jurisdiction of the central bank. So what they also are trying to do is on whether or not there have been establishment or payment or settlement of funds, etc., being done by these Bitcoins as well. So as of now, it really is about the know-how of who's buying, how much, what are the kind of profits, and what are the people doing with it really.
All right.